Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you change your language into Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application at very first. And after opening the Bitget application, you will get to see this icon into the top left corner. Tap into that, and after tapping into that, just simply select this gear icon into the top right corner. Now, after selecting gear, you will get to see this option of language directly. Just simply tap to language, and after that you can select between these many languages available into here. Just simply choose any of the language that you would like to, and after that your language will successfully be changed into Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.